Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Tcl 20se hard reset or pattern unlock. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds, then select power off from the menu. Press and hold volume up plus power keys simultaneously until the Tcl logo appears, then release all keys. Use the volume keys to navigate through the recovery mode menu. Choose wipe data or factory reset and confirm the action. Select factory data reset to confirm the hard reset process. After the reset process is complete, select Reboot System Now from the menu. Wait for a couple of seconds for the reset to complete. Once the reset is finished, your phone will be completely reset to its original settings. Follow on-screen instructions that appear to set up your device again.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.